Today we'll be talking about website optimization for answer engines. This one will be a sort of a playbook for getting cited by ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, and Google AI overviews. The first question we should ask ourselves is why traditional SEO alone is not enough anymore. Till yesterday it was working. Today I've seen the numbers and we know it just simply doesn't. We have over 65% of Google searches now ending without a single click to any website across different industries. We have a minus 61% organic click-through rate drop when an AI overview appears on the search results page. And we can clearly see that AI is way more influential with users in terms of decision making. So this is the reason why we see a 4.4 times higher conversion rate from AI referral traffic than traditional organic search, which is a good news, right? Actually, it's a great news because it's kind of having somebody who's really influencing for you, and that is ChatGPT. So how can we take advantage of that? How can we make that work in our favor? So this rise of answer engines makes us also notice something that is pretty dramatic actually. So from 2019 we first noticed zero click phenomenon. So the rate back then was 50%. Then in 2024 60% of zero click rate, and today, 2026, zero click rate is at 83% average with AI overview. Obviously, this happens because there are 800 million weekly users on ChatGPT, meaning that users are searching there more than on Google like 5 years ago. Even when they are on Google, 48% of those searches is being sucked by Google AI overviews. So nobody's going to scroll down and check all the results. So there are several things you can do. We can start with on-page optimization. So to structure your content in such a way that you are the answer by these AI platforms. It's also a mindset shift in terms of content creation. So you're not creating content clearly to rank on Google search results, but now you're kind of trying to create content that is answer first and is optimized for AI answer. So to do this, you got to lead with a direct, clear answer in the first paragraph. And over 44% of LLM citations come from the first 30% of the text. So basically the intro. Then use H2, H3 headings phrased as questions. So how does X work? And max 10 words per sentence on shortlist pages for nearly 20% more citations. Then the content structure for citations works more with comparison pages or 3 or more tables because they earn nearly 26% more ChatGPT citations. List format pages with 8+ sections earn 27% more citations, including statistics, named examples, and credible quotes. And topical coverage clusters beat structured data and schema markup. We have discussed this before, but pages with FAQPage schema are 3.2 more times likely in Google AI overviews. Only 12.4% of websites currently implement structured data, which means you can take advantage and be an early mover for this. And freshness and entity signals. So displaying last updated dates, having an author added with credentials possibly, and obviously with entity graph. So a few examples here, maybe they don't apply to your brand, but Wikipedia, Crunchbase, news, etc. So the second layer is technical SEO. So page speed is super important, crawlability and indexation, and machine readable content indexed directly for LLM crawler. And obviously mobile and core web vitals, all stuff that you can do with Search Console, by the way. Google Search Console. So off-page authority, it's also super important. So if you can get off-site trust signals like referring domains, third-party review platforms, or Reddit even, and Quora mentions, that's great. So the core message here is optimize per engine, not as a monolith. Basically, each optimization factor matters for a platform, so keep in mind where you want to be first and try to do the best there. And obviously, if you can do something even more for other platforms, you can. So for example, on ChatGPT, structured data is critical, but on Perplexity, it's not. It's simply helpful. So as you can see, not every factor counts for all AI platforms in the same way. So again, it's a paradigm shift. Stop ranking or stop thinking ranking as a goal, but start thinking how to be the next answer that ChatGPT gives to the next user, right? Or Perplexity, etc. And that's it. I'll leave this in the description for you if you need it. Take a look at it. And obviously, I would suggest you to sign up for early access on quality.ai. We will help you track and report on AI citations for your business or brand. Thank you. See you in the next video.